Want to get the most out of your email marketing campaigns? Learning how to use Mailchimp's A/B testing can be a game changer. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to set it up and how you can start optimizing your campaigns for better results. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know how to make Mailchimp's A/B testing work to boost your engagement and conversions. Before we dive in, if you want to try Mailchimp for free with our exclusive bonuses, check the first link in the description below. Let's get started. First off, A/B testing, also known as split testing, lets you send different versions of your email to a small portion of your audience before sending the winner to the rest. This way, you can test different elements of your email, such as subject lines, content, images, and CTA buttons to see what performs best. Now, to use A/B testing in Mailchimp, start by creating a new campaign. When you choose your campaign type, you'll see the A/B test option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll be asked to select what element of your email you want to test. For instance, you can test the subject line, content, or even the send time. The next thing you want to do is create the variants. For example, if you're testing subject lines, write 2 different options. Keep them clear, relevant, and interesting to make sure the test gives you useful insights. You'll also need to set the number of recipients who will receive the test. A small percentage of your list will get the variations, and Mailchimp will send the winning version to the rest. Next, Mailchimp gives you the option to choose what metric you want to optimize for. Do you want to maximize open rates or click-through rates? This is crucial because it helps you align your tests with your ultimate campaign goals. The fourth thing is tracking the results. Mailchimp will automatically monitor how each variant performs, but it's important to understand what metrics you're analyzing. Look at open rates, click rates, and even conversion data. This will give you a full picture of what your audience responds to. Once the test has run its course, Mailchimp will select a winner based on the highest performance metric, and that version will go to the remaining recipients. The best part? You'll get real-time data and can use those insights for future campaigns. Lastly, don't forget to analyze and learn from each A/B test. It's not just about testing and moving on, it's about continuously improving your email campaigns. Take note of what worked and use it to refine your strategies moving forward. Remember, with A/B testing in Mailchimp, you can consistently improve your emails and increase the effectiveness of your marketing. This feature is powerful, and when used correctly, it can make a huge difference in your results. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Mailchimp for free with an exclusive extended trial. Check the link in the description to grab that bonus. So, to recap, start by creating a campaign and choosing the A/B test option. Then, create variants, select your metrics, and track the results. With each test, you'll get closer to optimizing your email campaigns for better performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use the link below to get your free trial and exclusive bonuses.